Picture a fruit plant that actually doubles your harvest every single year without you having to put in any extra work. And the crazy thing is, you have probably never even heard of it. Today, we are exploring 5 incredible fruit plants that give you twice as much as the standard kinds. These hidden treasures are nowhere to be found at your local grocery store. But once you plant them in your yard, you will completely stop buying supermarket fruit. Make sure you watch until the very end, because the final plant on our list is going to completely amaze you. Most people have no clue these even exist, and you cannot just buy them off a shelf. But right now, I am going to share the exact secrets that make these plants so incredible. If you want fruit trees that deliver way more than just one crop, bounce back fast, and keep producing year-round, you have found the right video. Before we get into it, be sure to smash that subscribe button so you never miss my upcoming gardening hacks, massive harvest secrets, and pro-growing tips. I have a lot more great stuff on the way. Plant number 1, the ice cream bean tree. This tree is completely different from any other fruit tree you have ever seen. It grows long pods packed with a sweet pulp that tastes exactly like vanilla. But the true magic of this tree is how frequently it produces. While a lot of fruit trees only give you one crop a year, the ice cream bean tree delivers multiple harvests in a single season. Every single branch grows big clusters of pods, not just a single fruit. So when you take care of it the right way, you get a much bigger yield than you would from a regular tree. Plus, this tree fixes nitrogen in the ground. What that means is it actually improves your soil quality, so you do not have to fertilize it all the time. It naturally makes the earth richer, giving you more food for less work. Tell me down in the comments, did you know about the ice cream bean tree before this video? Could it survive where you live? Let me know. If you look after it, you will get a huge, reliable crop annually. But many folks just let it overgrow and do not maintain it, missing out on its true power. Just spend a little time on it, and you will be blessed with massive harvests year after year. Plant number 2, the Jamaican cherry. This is an incredibly fast-growing tropical plant that drops hundreds or even thousands of tiny, sweet cherries. The greatest part is that it begins fruiting in just 8 to 12 months. Yep, you will actually see fruit during your very first year. Most trees make you wait years for a single cherry, but this one totally shatters that rule. What is even crazier is its fruiting schedule. Instead of once a year, the Jamaican cherry tree produces practically every single day. You will spot fresh flowers, green fruit, and fully ripe cherries all hanging on the branches at the exact same time. That means you get to pick fruit continuously without any dead time. And it gets better, because it grows perfectly in terrible soil. It can handle extreme heat and dry weather, yet still drops massive yields. So, if you are in a tropical zone or a super dry area, this tree is an amazing option for year-round fruit. If you want to grow incredible food like this at home, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch all my future gardening tricks. I have plenty more headed your way, and you will not want to miss it. Plant number 3, the African star apple. This tough tree comes from West Africa and gives you massive amounts of nutrient-packed fruit. A lot of folks assume this one grows slowly, but once it settles in, it becomes an absolute machine. When fully grown, it yields huge clusters, giving you abundant harvests season after season. It has deep roots that help it survive droughts, making it ideal for places that get dry spells. As long as you give it enough space and prune it right, it keeps pushing out huge loads of fruit regardless of the weather. Has anyone here ever tasted an African star apple? Leave a comment if you have run into this one before. Plant number 4, the velvet tamarind. This one produces tight clusters of sweet and tangy little pods, which makes it one of the heaviest producing tropical trees available. Just one fully grown tree can drop thousands of pods in a single run. Since it blooms so heavily and sets fruit so well, almost none of its energy is wasted. It does great in dry spells, bad soil, and extreme heat without slowing down its fruit production. Because it needs so little care, it is ideal for backyard growers who want giant harvests without the hard work. If you are loving these plant suggestions, be sure to subscribe because in my next video, I am going to reveal the top 3 zero-maintenance fruit trees you can plant in any climate. Plant number 5, the miracle fruit. This little shrub is a hidden treasure with a crazy superpower. It grows tiny red berries packed with something called miraculin. This special compound actually turns sour foods sweet. Just picture biting into lemons, limes, or tart berries and having them taste exactly like sugary candy, completely naturally. That is the magic of the miracle fruit. What makes it even better is that it fruits over and over again. It does not just stop at one harvest, making it a highly productive choice for tight spaces and steady picking. This little bush is super easy to care for, and its magical berries will completely change your garden. Imagine making a sour lemon taste like dessert right from your backyard. It is not just a cool party trick. It is a heavy-producing plant that makes your harvest incredibly fun. Have you ever eaten a miracle berry? Drop a comment and tell me. Could you imagine having this in your yard? I would love to read your thoughts. So, there you go. 5 incredible fruit plants that will double your yield, bounce back super fast, and keep feeding you year after year. These trees will not just change how you grow food, they will completely upgrade your gardening journey. If you just swap out one normal fruit tree for one of these, you are setting yourself up for endless, year-round picking. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss my high-yield growing tips. And if you got some value out of this video, send it to your gardening buddies. They will definitely appreciate it. Now I want to hear from you. Comment your growing zone down below and tell me which of these plants you want to plant first. Will they work in your climate? Let's chat in the comments. If you have grown any of these before, let us know how it went. I cannot wait to hear your stories. Remember, these plants let you grow food that is high-yielding, super easy to care for, and incredibly rewarding. If you want to elevate your backyard orchard, these are the exact plants you need. Happy growing! Whether it is getting multiple crops from the ice cream bean, the daily picking of the Jamaican cherry, or the mind-blowing flavor tricks of the miracle fruit, these plants offer something amazing for everyone. Just replacing one basic fruit tree with one of these will make your harvests bigger, more reliable, and way easier to handle. You put in almost no effort, but the payoff is massive. Be sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on more gardening secrets like this. I am bringing plenty more massive yield plant ideas and simple growing hacks right to you. And again, if you liked this video, go ahead and share it with your friends.